Hello, artist. How are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. I'm just looking for one of the non-mica Arteza acrylic paints. Nice coverage, nice color. I dig the Arteza acrylic paints. You get a very, now some of these are the mica sets in here. These are all the micas, but some of these micas came with the original set of 60, I think it is, 60 something. You get a ton of different colors. It is not a professional grade paint, but it is still a very good paint, and I think it is fine for what we are doing. I really have used these quite a bit, and you remember earlier, here in the month we did the metallic. You can see how shiny that is, and then we have our standard paint. Let's see if we can get that a little bit less glary. But again, I was playing with kind of that spotted background, which I'm digging doing that. I'm liking that variation, so you're seeing me repeat that often because it's my book and that's how I want to do it. You can get a very smooth coverage with this. You do not need to do that. But what a cool starry sky night that is, and it was super easy to do. Very simple to do. The paint is very smooth. It's gorgeous colors. Yeah. Again, if you have any interest in using the Arteza paints, if you would like to order anything, please use the links in the comments, guys. It makes a huge difference for me. It really does. Again, with any of the products, I'm trying to put down the Amazon link for it or the Arteza link if it's an Arteza product. So I would highly appreciate that. Please don't forget to check out Patreon. If you can support the channel, it would be very helpful right now. It is, yeah. It would be very helpful right now. I'm still waiting on my benefits to kick in. So it's a little scary right now. Fun times. Okay, everybody. I hope you stay safe and stay inside and be good. We'll chat soon.